What's going on, everybody? So I got a question. I'm getting a full synthetic oil change on the Power Stroke. Typically, I go like 6,000 miles. I don't know if that's a fucking bad thing, but they put the label as, they put the oil, the synthetic, and they still put it as 3,000 miles. Now, I'm old school. I'm 40 years old, so I understand that everybody, known to man, always puts 3,000 miles, and that was when we always did our oil changes back in the day, was at 3,000 miles. But with synthetic, I always heard that it was like, you can go double, you can go more than that. Shit, I've even gone like 8,000 miles on synthetic oil. But I want to know what you guys think. Are you able to go higher mileage? I understand you're going to say, well, what does Valvoline or whatever brand of oil say that it can go? What do you guys do? I did 6,000 miles on this one. I'm going to do 6,000 miles again, but I want to know what you guys do. Full synthetic, I'm going to go 6,000 miles. Is that bad or good?